In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store logo. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it easy and seamless for you to update your store's branding. First things first, to begin, you need to log into your Shopify admin account. This is your main control hub where you can manage everything related to your store, from products to aesthetics. Once you're in, look towards the left side of the screen and find the option labeled Online Store. Clicking on this will reveal another series of choices. From these, select Themes. This section is where all the magic happens in terms of your store's appearance. Next, take note of the theme that is currently active on your store. You'll want to ensure you're customizing the correct one. Adjacent to your active theme, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click on that. What we're doing here is accessing the customization panel, which will give us the flexibility to modify various aspects of your store's look and feel. Now, once you're in the customization area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you will see a small gear icon labeled Theme Settings. This icon is key because it holds the general settings for your theme, including the branding elements. After clicking on the gear icon, a new menu will unfold. In this menu, find the section marked Logo. Typically, it will be found within an accordion dropdown for easy navigation. The Logo section is specifically designed for handling your store's logo, providing options for uploading or selecting previously uploaded images. So now it's time to change your logo. Click on Select Image. This option permits you to either upload a brand new logo directly from your computer or opt for an image that you've already uploaded to Shopify in the past. This flexibility is crucial for those who regularly update their branding materials or experiment with different logo designs. Once you have your logo in place, there might be an opportunity to adjust its width. This adjustment ensures your logo appears just right on your online store, maintaining its visual appeal across different devices. Make any adjustments to the size that you feel enhance the look of your logo in the context of your store's design. Finally, and this is very important, don't forget to click Save. By saving your changes, you ensure everything you've just done is applied to your store for all your visitors to see. It's a simple step, but crucial for finalizing your hard work. And there you have it, a straightforward way to update your Shopify store's logo. It's a small change that makes a big difference when it comes to maintaining your brand's identity online. Remember, keeping your branding consistent and updated is key to creating a professional and recognizable online presence. Thank you for tuning in and happy selling.